Here we go. Welcome to another round. Let's do this thing. Oh, timer. Okay, after this I will have a break. Yeah, it might be objective. I cycled through different languages, and right now I don't even know, like, this might be Objective-C. I don't even know. There are many of, well, many, not so many. There's no Rust, for example. Everyone asks about Rust lately. At least on this page. What's the world coming to? Well, I don't know. Last time I checked, you know, like everyone is like, I program in Rust. I was like, oh really? So I googled the Rust, you know, and sounds like it is a game where like naked people run around. So I don't know what you are guys doing, but it must be insane. Try it. Put Rust in the Google. You will know. You will know what I'm talking about. Okay, programming languages share many things in common, such as naked crazy people. But Togglebit, you're streaming Rust, right? So does it mean like the next stream you will be naked, and the stream after that you will be banned from Twitch? Love all the language? Yeah, it's like the parents, like, I love all of you the same. Of course you do. I have no favorites. What you are talking about? Why does he get... Oh, Garipo is now following. Thank you, sir or lady. That might be the case. I'm sure you will be later regretting your life decisions, but thank you for the follow. If I have the privilege, Togglebit, to have you in the chat, I would like to ask you a question, if I may. And that is, you know, like, I'm trying to be a good programmer, right? Whatever that means. What did help you the most, like, to become better? If you feel like answering such a question. It's a hard question. Yeah, I'm asking the right person. I know I'm out of the time, but I will finish this one quickly. Oh, it's more lines, okay. But not so much. Oh, come on. I cannot wait to read the chat after typing this out. Oh, thank you for the follow. As you may already heard, you might regret your decisions later, but thank you for the follow very much. I do appreciate it. My number of the people is of such size, so I can still claim that every single follower is special to me. I got even subscription. Could you believe that? That's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Seriously. Someone. Oh well. Yeah. That's what it is. So that concludes our typing session. And I missed some yummy messages. Love our languages, and after that I kind of, oh, I need to save it, right? 7:28, so we do 7:28. Yay! So we are saving this. The average, yeah, I started the last week, so the last 7 days, and this is identical in this moment, but hey, okay, so it kind of works. Saying the out and originally confirmed that Togovit is wearing pants. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. There is a point, right? Don't be on the stream. Don't worry. They're probably in the camp of pantless software development. Yeah. Started programs decades ago. Okay, but I would say it's like typing. You just have to stick with it. There are no shortcuts. I'm using the typing analogy as I see you have split keyboard, so you are familiar with learning to type again. Yeah, true. Okay. Yeah, of course I would like to hear, like, you know, and here's the secret trick which you would do and you will learn Rust 5 seconds, not more. 5 seconds, that's all it takes. What, really? Yeah. Yeah, more often than not, the secret is that there is no secret, right? I think the thing that is going to help you improve the most is a combination of being curious and putting in the time. Just make sure whatever you are doing, you are always trying to learn something new from it to take forward. Then everything you do will be better than the last. Always trying to learn something new from it. Whatever you are doing. There are small details you can do to improve, but generally it's down to practice and not giving up. Yeah. I saw online like some funny clip, and that was the Jonathan Blow. He's programmer, famous between the indie game developers. He's streaming here too, and some of the clips was like someone asked him about time management, right? And he goes like, time management? You don't need time management. Well, your time management should be like the amount of number of hours you have turned on your computer and you are in the editor, not browsing Facebook, not anything, and you measure that time. That is your time management, and increase that number. That's it. I found it really fun. Yeah, maybe just me. Thank you so much for the feedback. Practice and not giving up. Trying to find and to learn something new. Typed characters. Oh, look at that. That was. Do you see that? That was totally intentional. Okay, so let's start the Java timer or the application timer or whatever. Make a typing game. Yeah. Maybe. I will put it into ideas. Typing game. Thank you for that input. Thank you for that input. What is this? Create log for typing practice. What did I mean? I don't know. Goodbye. BRsh, you can add endless rest as one of your supported language. Yeah. Yeah, and one of the things would be like you would have to input the degrees which you are operating in, and if the degrees would be sufficiently below, all of the letters would be lowercase. It's freezing time. All right. So what we are doing? Colored input, output. Okay. So we switch position of those two because first I want to know if we have a better result than we already have inside of it, right? Good one. Okay. So we get the error rate from parsing the input. That, right? So we have all the information after that one, you know, like all these global variables like the average thingies and so on is filled after this point. So right now we know if this is better or not. We can compare it, right? So oh wait, so in that case, sharing both underwear and pants, does that mean that I have a 2-generation garbage collector? Speedcoder lessons HTML1. Oh, thank you. That's another one. I think I did try this one already. I don't know. Are you learning more languages than Java? Yes, sir. JavaScript and TypeScript are the other languages, but right now they are on the back seat. I did a typing test here, and then I was able to grab the results from HTML, so I could create an app that reads that and puts its source code and details. I see. I could possibly web script it from the other page too, right? Maybe. But the thing is, like here, if you wanna, yeah, they basically want you to pay for the service. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, too many tabs. I need to start killing things. Goodbye. Oh, this I did save, right? Where's the... Where did I save the things which you told me? No. So I will search it B E R. Oh, come on. It B harsh. Okay. Enter. Next is only here? Really? You told me something about the start with the... I remember I thought I did put it somewhere. Oh well. We are doing color things now. And I did have it open somewhere. Hello flow, not this. I don't need this. No, I don't need this. That was okay. Now to change color console in Java here, and yep, this is this preset colors. Okay, cool. So well, I guess I will steal all of those, and I almost feel like I am in the... We got to the place where we might want a file with constants. Black, green, yellow, purple, cyan, white. And we will... So what do we want? We want... oh, come on. We want better than average for last seven days, and we want new personal best. Change the colors, right? And we will be writing there. Oh, that will be no problem. Make a function and pass in the two values and then return color red if it was, or green if it... Yeah. And the thing is, like, I'm like currently how I have it set up, right? So I can have like a print function which will do something like this, print evaluation, something like this. Yeah, and here we will do something. Come on. Either it will be print better luck next time, or we can have you are better than best score last 7 days. No. Better than average past 7 days, and then I could have you just set up new personal best using colors. Yeah, that's what we can do. So I can do if and because we are writing to a file after we are parsing it, so the parsed things up top, the average and the best will be the previous values, right? So if we say if, oh come on, if so there will be two conditions, right? If the way I do measure it, the way I compare the results is when I have a lower error rate, it is better immediately. It gets ranked higher. If the error rate is equal between two entries, then I have a look at the words per minute. So here I want if basically error rate. Oh, and that's out of scope in here. I see. Okay. So suggest you don't combine print with comparison logic. Or it makes sense, yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Harsh. That makes sense. Yeah. So I'm thinking about two approaches now. And what would be like evaluate. So this would be evaluate. And here we would have I would call like another method, like basically I will test it, right? There will be test, and based on the results I will call basically this, better luck next time, or that would be. So that is one approach which I can have, which would be the evaluate would then call the print methods. The other way would be to have the evaluate thing just set up some global variable and then based on that do that. Nah, I don't like that. So it will be evaluate, and then I will have called no, what print okay, so it will be new personal best, like that. Then we will print better best from best of past 7 days. No. Above average past 7 days. like that. Print above average all time, maybe like that, and then print better luck, better luck next time or something, and something like that, right? Yeah. Those two are not exclusive, right? I'm kinda I could have a like wars. If I set up the personal best, I don't care about anything else. But those two could be printed at the same time, and it would still make sense. I mean, printing if the test for one passes, it doesn't tell you anything about the other, about the other one. That's what I'm trying to say. So we do the first one. That will be easier. So the if thing will go in here. Enter. It will be something like this. And then here we will create the condition. Then I've consider doing get personal best, then pass that to a print. Well, I have the personal bests in here, right? Best VPN and the best error rate. I do save it there after parsing the file. But I kinda maybe don't like it that much because it seems like I could make errors in the future, you know, like this will be not set up, you know, and then I will try to operate on it, you know, like I'm missing the safety net of like if this was not set up yet, this shouldn't be executing at all. Also, yeah. But maybe like I can like let's forget it right now. I will put it into the things which I might do. Verify. How verbalize it, what I want to do. I want somehow... What am I worried about in here? Yeah, I do want to refactor, but that would be the measurement of... Yeah, I'll do refactor. Yeah, refactor, but you know, like refactor, readability, and what do you call it? Security, robustness. Error prone thingies, eliminating error prone. Secure. Change error prone places. Code. Yeah, this kind of sounds about right. And we are at the end of the time. So okay, so this concludes this round number 5, and I feel like doing another one. So